Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this animation without using any keyframes for your logos. So I have this logo over here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm also going to add in a color for the background, maybe something like this. Actually, I'm just going to add it on the second track, and I'm just going to add my background real quick. Okay, not the best color for that. Okay. Then you're going to select your logo, and then you're going to go to video effects, and you're going to search for the play pendulum one, and then you're going to add it to your logo and not the one here. So you can either do that and like select the logo and right click create compound clip, or you can select the effect and add it here. You can adjust the twist here. I'm just going to put it to 0 so it doesn't affect the logo. And then that is pretty much it, really. Of course, you're going to make this a little bit longer. I don't know why I have it on like 1 second. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!